Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video, guys. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Satoshi Boomin video. Guys, we got these videos every day, twice a day, talking about VeChain and Cardano. You don't want to miss it. I got my hot tea and honey, locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started, guys. We are talking about VeChain today. And the price is the price. We're not going to worry about that too much, guys. We're down about 1.9% on the day. So I think that a recovery is coming, guys. I think that, this is a fake out. This whole situation that happened last month with the big dip, the two big dips, the coordinated FUD attacks, all that stuff is just to shake people out. And I know that whales are coming back in. Recent developments of 3 countries trying to make Bitcoin as legal tender. All that stuff is bullish, guys. All that stuff is signaling to me that crypto is becoming even more adopted. And, another thing that gets me excited is this market cap number. Now, I don't place a whole lot of value on market cap because it is what it is. But the point is that, guys, just a short year ago, it might not seem that long ago, guys, but it was only a year ago. We were only at $250 billion in market cap. And now we're over $1 trillion. We hit $2 trillion, almost went to $3 trillion in market cap with a T. And this dip only lost us about $500 billion in market cap. So this is all bullish to me, guys. We're still a very young market, still very immature market. It's only been around for like 12 years. This is insane. This is an opportunity that I'm glad that I finally got into it. I wish I had got into it in 2011 when, I heard about it, but I didn't understand. So, again, I'm not worried about short-term price fluctuations. If you want TA, there's plenty of channels out there for you. We stick to the fundamentals here. So with that, we got some big news coming out of VeChain. Resea project, VeChain and STOLI partner together. This is awesome, guys. STOLI is I believe it's a Russian vodka. No, actually, it's not a Russian vodka. It's in New York, but they have a Russian name, Stolichnya, something like that. I'm sorry, I'm a dumb American. I can't pronounce things. But anyway, I've heard of STOLI vodka. I've never tried it. Comment down below if you have. Why is this important? Every time a customer buys a bottle of STOLI, we will fund the removal of 200 grams of plastic bottles from the oceans and rivers through the support and collaboration of the Resea project. Thank you to Eisenreich for breaking this story. Please consider donating to his VeChain address in the description below, guys. Absolutely insane. Let's take a look at what STOLI has to say. We at STOLI are keenly aware that immediate action must be taken to ensure that we have a sustainable planet for our future generations. With the recent addition of our global sustainability leader, Resea project, and recognition of our fully green operations in Mexico, we are making critical progress. As STOLI Nature, we have aggressive goals to establish the most powerful, sustainable, ultra-premium spirits portfolio. These actions move us closer to the goal line. We believe in building sustainable partnership development programs to empower the right people to not only do what is right, but do what is necessary. If this is your first time here, if this is your first time hearing about VeChain, welcome. Why are we talking about STOLI vodka and Resea project? Well, the Resea project tracks and traces all the trash they cleaned up from the ocean on the VeChainThor blockchain, guys. And recently, Resea project just came out a couple days ago and said that they removed over 600,000 tons of plastics, of trash from the ocean already. And this just came out a couple of months ago. Like, I want to say 3 months ago. What Resea project is new. So, guys, man, I just don't know how to convey like what's going on and what's actually occurring. Not just with VeChain, but like crypto, Cardano. I still have trolls in my comment section talking about Cardano's a S coin and crypto. I still have people in my comment section saying crypto's a scam, which is like really weird. But the FUD is out there. They want to separate you from your VeChain, from your Cardano, from your Bitcoin, from your Ethereum by posting out fear articles, guys. We need to stick on what's true and what's not. And what is true, in my humble opinion, and why I'm bullish, me personally, is because of stuff like this. Cleaning up the ocean, sustainability, and being actually a value to society as a whole. Next story. We've got some development news. Shout out to all the devs in the comments section below. Without you guys, we wouldn't have a product. So we really appreciate you guys. I know being a dev is tough. It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of brain work. It's a lot of trying and failing over and over and over again. It's a lot of break fix. I understand. I couldn't be a dev at all. When I look at code, my brain automatically wants to get the heck out of there, but I do respect what they do. This is big, guys. A bite ahead, a VeChain dev. Thank you. Shout out to you, good sir. Hello, beloved VeChain community and members. VFam, here's a press release of the VeChainThor request.python file. A better library to interact with VeChain, blockchain, and Python. It is still in alpha stage, but very functional. Try it, throw some issues at me. So basically, what does this mean? It is basically a easy to use Python SDK, which is I believe a software development kit. Correct me if I'm wrong, devs down below, that talks to VeChainThor blockchain. So this is pretty awesome, guys. And then it goes on to talk about the market, which we already talked about earlier. So thank you to the devs. Keep on deving it up. Keep on working on VeChain 2.0. We're here for you. We're going to support you. Take your time. Make it right. We got your back. We got the VeChain Foundation posting a couple of days ago. The Proof of Authority 2.0 paper was accepted by the University of Oxford and published by the... One moment, guys. Sorry about that, guys. So, let's just redo this thing here. The POA-related Alpha Block technical paper by our research team and University of Oxford was accepted and published by the ACM. The ACM is the world's largest educational and scientific computing society focused on leading edge publications. Let's take a look at it, guys. This is the paper here. This is pretty big deal in the world in the terms of science here. Let's take a look. We're just going to read the abstract. Obviously, not going to read the whole paper. You guys would fall asleep. But consensus algorithm is the core of blockchain and plays a crucial role in the performance of the blockchain. In general, there are two types of blockchain consensus algorithms: Bitcoin-like Nakamoto consensus algorithms and the Byzantine fault tolerance consensus algorithms. These two types of consensus algorithms are fundamentally different in forms and hard to be compared. However, they are currently often used interchangeably for similar blockchains, which naturally raises a question of a given network which consensus would have the best performance in practice. In this paper, we propose Alpha Block, a theoretical framework for the performance comparison of blockchain consensus algorithms, in particular NC algorithms and BFT algorithms. To make fair comparison, Alpha Block captures the most important advantages and disadvantages of both categories. Moreover, we can incorporate some of the key features of practical blockchain networks. The results show that BFT algorithms have a superior performance over NC algorithms, in most cases both in throughput and latency. Expect for low latency region in large networks where Nakamoto consensus algorithms show strong competence to the best BFT algorithm. So that's a lot of technical jargon for which blockchain consensus algorithm is better, either Bitcoin Nakamoto consensus or Byzantine fault tolerance. So again, shout out to all the devs. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. Moving on. All right, so we got VeChain in luxury fashion. Thank you again to Eisenreich for finding this report here. This analysis provides a macro vision of the luxury fashion market, shows which segments exist and how they behave, and finally builds fact-based predictions of where the market is going. As we can see here, market leaders see more consolidation compared to other sectors. So got there, Auburn is that Auburn University, Plutus, consensus. Who is dominating the blockchain luxury and fashion? So industry penetration by blockchain developer based on cumulative revenue of clients. And up here is the blockchain IT maturity. And then we can see consensus up here, LMVH, Prada, Cartier, Auburn University's blockchain solution. They have Kohl's, Macy's, Nike, Plutus has Nike. VeChain has LVMH, COS, Baby Ghost, Arquette. I can't even see that, in Nike. It's pretty awesome. And then Sarah Naba, the VeChain ecosystem advisor, says huge shout out to this gentleman and Julia from Instead for sharing their insights on which blockchain is dominating the luxury and fashion industry. And it's only one, and that's VeChain, baby. Let's go. And finally, guys, we got some Jur news here. A little bit of Jur news to end the day. And basically, there's not really too much going on with Jur in terms of like protocol, but they are changing up their brand a little bit. We're not going to read everything. We're just going to take a look at some of the concepts that they have here. They're going to change up their colors. And it's good to see that they're still working on it, you know. Here's some concepts, designs for their new logo. And again, you know, it's still, it's good. It's good. So we have a couple of designs here that they're thinking about building off of and growing with. Some symbols as well. So yeah, you know, let's give Jur a shout out. Let's show them some love. They posted. Now I have to change my tattoo. That's how Stefan_D3 commented about Jur's new logo. What do you think about it? Let them know. Shout out to them. And if you don't know what Jur is, guys, they are a VeChain ecosystem token focused on digital conflict resolution in the justice system. So they recently got $1 million grant from Tim Draper, a billionaire, and the Jur token is about 2 cents. So if you think about picking up some Jur, you can get it. We've got 1,061 days to the next Bitcoin block halving, guys. And taking a look at the markets, it's kind of a sideways moving day, kind of a boring day. We can have these from time to time. Coins are down, looks like a red day as well. Any coins up, pumping like crazy? Chili's is, I don't know what they do. AMP is up, Engine Coin's doing okay, Algo made a big move, but other than that, nothing too crazy going on, guys, to be honest. So all right, go ahead and shout out to my wonderful Patreon subscribers: AJ Bergalic, House McHarris, Sergio Les Nielsen, The Fernline, Jeffrey, Ethan, AmericanHomeRemedies.com, Maryland for Crypto, Bruce Wayne, Feruz Din, Brady Adams, Joel Minnis, Kyle Bachi, Crypto SVT.si, Eric Parra, I Did the Voice for the People, HBDStockBay.com, Ryan Ingram, Daniel A, Crypto Chemtrails, Climax DH, Angela Schroyer, Craig Wadding, C. Vale, Maker Dow Crumbs, Bearder, Leon Jackson, Jacob Connor, and Yaya. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your undying support. Hit that red button for me, and I will talk to you soon with the Cardano updates, so you don't want to miss them. Have a good one.